Hi everyone! Welcome back again to the vlog. And for today's video ay pupunta ako ng Robinsons Las Piñas dahil may fan event ang mga ARMY para sa BTS. Dahil kaka-birthday lang ng aking boyfriend na si Jungkook nung September 1st and then birthday din ni RM nung September 12. So kung gusto niyo akong samahan kung ano mga magaganap sa fan event, just keep on watching! Yan na, dito na tayo sa Robinsons Las Piñas. First time po a-attend ng fan event, kaya excited ako kung anong mga magaganap dito. Let's go! Ay, dito sa labas may mga merch! Ay. Pero mag-register muna tayo. Let's go! Golden hour! Hello! Okay. Mga freebies upon registration. Belated happy birthday, RM! Jungkook! Namigay din sila ng ganito, card. Naubos agad si Jungkook. Jimmy na lang, J-Hope. Suga! Grabe, daming ARMY. Another freebie! Jungkook and Gay! Finally! Jungkook!
What's up, ARMY? Ayan! Alright! Kaya naman pala. So, welcome to our special celebration, Namkook Day! And today, we honor not just one, but two of our beloved BTS members, Jungkook, our golden magnet,
and the indigo leader, Namjoon. Both of them may have different charms, but they share one thing in common, their zodiac sign.
yes!
It's Virgo now.
1, 2, 3! Your passports. Punta sa site ni Ate Loleng yung mga walang number. Yung mga nakakuha po ng passports without the number, still congratulations, you may claim your prize down there with Admin Mary. Yeah, getting an extra prize if you will be able to answer the question based on the number that you are holding. So number 5. Mommy, if you know the answer, help your child. So question number 5 is, if RM was a girl, who would he choose to date among the members? What's your answer? Quiet, everyone!
Mommy, ano ba yung
Mommy,
sagot?
any member?
JK?
JK, how about you? You know the members of BTS?
Jungkook daw.
Jungkook!
Tama ba, Jungkook? Tama?
No, they don't
Okay,
agree.
they don't agree.
Behind the scene merch.
Behind the scene merch, thank you.
Thank you po. Where's behind the scene merch? Thank you so much.
Sa mga mauunang magpipili,
May chance po sila kung sino ang iuwi nila. Super. Ang gwapo. Ano ba yan? Sobrang gwapo naman. First winner is... Sinong nagsulat sa yellow paper? Wala. Nasulat na sila. Congratulations, Raven Ceballo.
where is Raven?
Congratulations.
Raven, congratulations.
Takbo, ate! Dalihan mo!
Sino ang pipiliin mo?
Sino? Go, go! Ang bagal ni ate! Dali na! Ay! Sino? Dalihan mo! Wala! Wala na, time is up! Wow! All 3 seconds! We will be playing Golden Norway Bang with a twist. The twist is the pair will sing it with challenging prompts. So, hindi lang kayo basta kakanta dito.
May twist.
Okay, may twist. So, your song is Lost Stars. Or anong story ng Lost Stars? Where did Jungkook sang that song? Asking si JK or like hiniram niya ata yung guitar ng isang random kid or something like there sa Malta. King 7 by doing squats. So your prompt is, you will be singing Never Let Go, like you're on a roller coaster, lots of ups and downs. Never let go, go, go. Never let go, 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 go. Your prompt is, you will sing standing next to you while punching the air. You know, steeper than the bed, steeper than the bed, steep the day, so then take away, too much air. Standing next to you. Okay, again, congratulations to Team Standing Next to You.
Okay, you can get your prizes here.
Ay, nagpanis!
Gusto ko yung gano'n, ang bilis nila nagkakasundo.
Kaya nga eh, I love it. Very, very sports with the performer lang for today.
Yes. It is a dance community based in Imus, Cavite, who are leading off their first year as a dynamic group of dancers united by one goal to express, inspire, and tell stories through power of dance.
With each step, this group brings to life the spirit of unity, creativity, and cultural pride. So, without further ado, let's welcome I'm Us!
1, 2, 3. I can touch it through the phone. Or touch it through the universe. So if you're ready, and if you let me, I just wanna see you like that, see you like that. So fun, one was the night. I get me going.
Once again, thank you Robinsons Las Piñas for having Armia and other armies to celebrate Namkook's birthday.
And as you know, well, trivia lang, this is our second time celebrating a BTS event here. away. Happy weekend!
Once again, thank you, Robinsons Las Piñas.
Yes, Miss Janine Robinson's Las Piñas, thank you so much!
Ito pala yung mga merch, yung Pillow Avenue. Ito man ito. 100. Oh, 250. Jungkook. 55 pesos. So cute. Si Jungkook ba to? J-Hope. Ay, parang gusto ko yung keychain. Cute nito. Ito pa. Cute. Magkano yung ganda ng bracelet. Photo cards. Tumbler. Mga wallet. Coin purse. Cute naman nito. May lights. Cute. Naman nito. Miniature. Nasa loob sila. Ganda. Cute. Jungkook. Cute naman nito. Magkano yung mga bracelet?
25 ma.
25? Ay, sige. Cute! Eto mga to. 100. Walang Jungkook na. So yan, kakauwi ko lang ng bahay. And I must say, sobrang saya ng experience ko sa fan event na to for BTS, specifically for Jungkook and RM dahil nga birthday month nila ngayong September. So sobrang saya, nakakita ko ng mga fellow ARMY. First time ko umattend ng event ng ARMY. Na-overwhelm ako, ang saya, lahat game, lahat ready mag-participate. Sobrang saya. May mga freebies pa silang pinamimigay sa mga umattend dun sa event. So ito yung nakuha ko. Ito yung binigay nila. So Jungkook and RM since birthday month nga nila. Ang saya. Tapos meron pa akong mga photo cards na nakuha. Yan, si Jungkook. Hey, Jungkook. And then may sticker. Oh, si V. Sticker. Si V to, si V. Ayan, may stickers pa. Saya. Ito pa, mga photo cards pa na binigay nila. Freebies nila. And si Jungkook. Si Suga. Si J-Hope. And si Jimin. Tsaka si Jin. So, wala akong photo card ni RM. To. Kasi to si, ano na to eh. Si V ulit. And then BTS. Saya, may mga pa-freebies. Tapos ito, nabudol ako ng bracelet. Yan, Jungkook. And ano pa yung binili ko? May binili pa akong keychains. Si Jungkook. Cute. And then, stickers. Si Jungkook din. Ang saya. Sobrang saya ng event na to. Sana pag nagka-event sila ulit, sana malapit lang din. Kaya andali ko rin nakapunta dahil nga sa may Las Piñas lang yung event. Sa Robinsons Las Piñas lang. Attend ako, for sure. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakipindot na rin yung bell icon para mag-update kayo sa mga bagong videos na ilalabas ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. At pakifollow na rin ako sa lahat ng mga social media accounts ko. Nakalagay naman yung link sa description box below. And again, thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye guys!